what did you? So what those people they tell us? This Lagos State government. So they tell us that you people we don't like to see Okada and Marwa for Lagos again. So we think that maybe they are joking. We think that they are playing. So after 1 week later, so Monday, so just they tell people say they announce for FM for this Wazobia FM, Cool FM, Brilla FM. Just they speak there. They tell us so they don't like to see anybody, any Marwa, Kike Marwa, any bike in Lagos again. So we don't like if we see anybody who seizing your bike, we give you a 4 days.
They cannot allow you to drive a machine leave Lagos unless in the night, like around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. You drive your machine, come out inside Lagos, go Ogun State area where that trailer in the state Ogeri. You will go, give them your machine, make them carry them up, go your place where you want to carry your machine go. They see you in the afternoon or morning time, they go use a Hilux, jam you. They will carry the machine, go Alausa. The machine don't go Sarah, you go prison. From Lagos to Kaduna here, I was paid 20,000 for trailer. Everything I spent is 25,000. There are other people follow me come, but majority then they go Adamawa. Some people then they go Borno. Some people and the other states, some people then they go their own place. So some people they still there for Lagos now. They don't get money where they will carry their machine, go to their place. I'm working for Victoria Island there. Adiola Odeku, New Market. Sometime I'm going to Obalinde, Ikoyi side, Idejo side, and the Ligali Ayorinde. I'm going to Marwa, Lekki side sometime. And I'm going to 4 Point, all those Aboya Deko 1004. I'm running this place. We dey buy ticket 700, we dey pay booking 500, and we dey pay security money 200. A day we dey spend 1,400 naira.
I'm paying everything. I used to buy my ticket. So end of the year we are buying this sticker. So after, if you do not buy this ticket, if this Aguero arrest you, you tell you 5,000. You carry you go this station after Bonicam side. If they carry you go there, collect your money, you just say you pay 5,000. We are helping many people in Lagos. It's not a matter of Aguero or everyone, even police. Police will come and arrest you for nothing. Collect money for your hand, 3,000, 5,000.
The time where they won't make people vote them, like say them they beg people, and they even talk say they no one ban Marwa, they no one ban Okada. But now, before Sanwo-Olu no win the election, they say Marwa can work, Okada can work, we no go ban anything. After in win, don't go ban us. Nothing. I have only nothing to tell them.
We know that Okada and Marwa, most especially Okada, they have a black decision from all our leaders. You know they like Okada. That's true. What we are doing, we are looking for what we can feed our family. Even I have already finished my secondary school since 2007. I don't have money. I don't have any lot of money to go another level. So nobody will help you. Our leaders do not they like to help poor people. So we like to look for what we can help our own self, our families. I have father, I have mother, I have junior brothers. I have my father, she's not old. My mother, she's old. I have a junior brother. I have a wife and children. I'm living for renting house. So who can help me if I can't help myself? So if they destroy this Okada or Napep, so what people they are going to do? They are going to thief. If you go thief, they'll kill you. So that's why we have much kidnappers and army robbers for this Nigeria. So our leaders, they can't help us with any small work. So after, if you vote for them, in the time where they are coming to look for you people, poor people, they come and give you sweet tongue and tell people that so you people want help from you, so just vote for us. So we try to help you and do your hospital, take care of your health, and we repair road for you, and we give you fertilizer to do your farm. So we look you people to go and we'll find work for you people. So don't worry. After, if you don't vote for them, so you cannot see them again. If they go to Abuja and hide for them, so you can't see them. Even if you go meet them for their house, they tell you they are not around. So just you hide. So after 4 years, you come back and look you people like say you are ignorant. You don't go school, you don't know what you are doing. So that's the problem. So next time we take our own decision, we people, we know what we can do. As we are human beings, we are men, or our men and women. We can try our own best to do everything that we know. That's what we take. So we are waiting for their coming 2022 or 23. We are waiting for them. So everyone, if you come to us, so we will show them that we are people. We know what we are doing. That's the thing.